Chickens can be a whole lot of fun for the entire family. They're one of the most versatile creatures on the planet. And if you're in a pinch, let's say, I don't know, there's a virus sweeping the globe, and you need some food, the beautiful thing about these things is you can eat their eggs. And if you're not into eating eggs, you can also eat their bodies.